Another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off Show Frequently Called Contacts on Truecaller. So let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in your device. Then tap on Calls. After that, tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Calls. Then scroll until you find Show Frequently Called Contacts. Next, turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn off Show Frequently Called Contacts on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.